How to cash out or withdraw from Gcash. Hi there, in this video we will learn a different methods and how you'll be able to withdraw funds from your Gcash account. So first thing you need to do is sign in into your Gcash account through the application. Once you have opened the application, just click on send. You have three options here. You have express send, you have send via QR, or you have send gift. So here, first, let's try Express Send. So the first thing that you need to do is simply type in the phone number of the person's phone number for Gcash. So this is Gcash to Gcash. In order for you to cash out your money is that you actually need to find stores that have the cash out Gcash cash out option. So there are some stores here where in the Philippines where you will be able to cash out money by sending money through their account, and then they will be the one to provide you the cash. So here, for example, I've sent the money to one of my contacts here, and just for a demo I just sent here a small amount. And once that would be sent, the person that I sent the funds to also has a Gcash account, and he or she will be the one to send me the money in cash. So that's the first option and how you will be able to withdraw cash from Gcash. There are some options as well where you need a MasterCard, Gcash MasterCard, where you need to apply for that, wherein all you have to do is sign up for a Gcash MasterCard, and then Gcash will send it to your address. It may cost around, that may cost you some thing before you will be able to receive the Gcash MasterCard. And that's another way for you to withdraw money, since all you have to do is use that into ATM, and then you'll be able to withdraw money from there. So another option here is the QR reader or a Gcash send via QR. So all you have to do is make sure that you have the QR code of the store that you will send the money to cash out to, and all you have to do here is just point the camera into the QR code, and then that will automatically detect the account information of the store that you will send the payment to or the money, so that they will be the one to send or receive, or so that they will be the one to give you the cash for the amount that you sent to them. So here, for example, you click on the QR, that's the bottom part of the application, that will automatically route you to QR reader, and that is an easy way for you to be able to send money directly via the QR code. So another option here, you can click on the view all, and then here you can also have the option to pay via QR, where all you have to do is point the camera into the QR code, and then you will be able to send the money and withdraw from there. So another option here is Gcash Padala. This is a way for you to send money or withdraw money through Bayad centers, and then all you have to do is input the name or the account or the number of the person. This is applicable if the person you will be sending Gcash Padala does not have a Gcash account. That could be helpful for you. Another option here is a bank transfer, wherein you can send the money through a bank account that has a ATM card. So for example, you do have another bank account, and then you have an ATM card from that. All you have to do is to send the money from your Gcash account to bank account. So you transfer funds from Gcash to your bank, where it may cost around 15 pesos for you to be, or there's a transfer fee of 15 pesos in order for you to transfer your funds from Gcash to your bank. So once you have transferred the funds to your bank with your ATM card, you can go to any ATM machine and then you can go ahead and withdraw money from there. Here, you just need to make sure that every time you will transfer funds to your bank, make sure you have the correct details like the account number is correct, the name of the account owner is correct, so that there will be no issues going forward and you will be able to successfully transfer the money. So here there's a maximum amount of the transfer of 50,000 pesos for you to be able to transfer your funds to your bank. So you can see here there's a lot of bank options that you can transfer your funds to. So no matter what type of ATM card you have, you can definitely look into the options here if that's available here on Gcash. And all you have to do is input the account name, account number, and the email address is optional. And then once you send the money, just go to your ATM machine and withdraw the money from there. So another option here for you to be able to withdraw or cash out from Gcash is to send with a gift or send with a clip. So when you click on here, there's a send gift option and a send with clip option. So you have your options here where you can send through Express Send. You have the option to transfer through your bank. You have an option to transfer using Gcash Padala. And then you can cash out through the Bayad centers here. So here, this is the second option that we tackled about earlier, QR code, where you just use or scan the QR of the store that offers cash out options. And then the next one here is send gift, but sometimes that is not available here with Gcash since they are currently having updates and a lot more. So here you can also use the bank QR code so that you'll be able to transfer your funds automatically without filling out the details like the account number, the name. So once you scan the QR code, it automatically fill out all the details, and all you have to do is input the amount and send them payment. Here. So all you have to do is use all of these features that you have depending on what type of store or what the store offers for you to cash out. So all you have to do is to send the money, and then that store will provide you the amount that you sent them so that you will be able to withdraw or cash out the payment. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.